Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. In the twilight of its years, Kaiser Motors made one last bold move to leave a mark on American luxury. This is the 1955 Kaiser Manhattan, rare, distinctive, and nearly forgotten. Today, we take you on a ride through this mid-century marvel. Exterior. At first glance, the 1955 Kaiser Manhattan stands apart from its contemporaries. With its sleek, streamlined body and bold front grille, it was one of the most stylish sedans of its time. The front end featured a toothy chrome grille and wide-set headlights, giving it a dramatic and almost futuristic appearance. Its wraparound windshield and smooth, almost fastback-like roofline echoed the jet-age design cues of the era. The chrome side moldings traced the length of the car, emphasizing its low, elongated stance. Out back, the taillights were subtly integrated into the fins, a restrained touch compared to the flamboyant competitors like Cadillac or Buick. And those distinctive rear fender skirts. They gave the Manhattan a smooth, almost European silhouette. Overall length, 211.6 inches. Wheelbase, 118.5 inches. Weight, just over 3,500 pounds. Interior. Inside the Kaiser Manhattan was all about post-war optimism and forward-thinking comfort. The cabin was spacious, luxurious, and packed with style. From the two-tone upholstery to the chrome-accented dash, it felt like a mobile living room. The dashboard was a blend of function and flair, with large, easy-to-read gauges and a tasteful clock integrated at the center. The radio and climate controls were simple but elegant, clearly aimed at the upper market. Rear passengers enjoyed plush seating and impressive legroom, enhanced by the car's wide body and flat floor. Kaiser even added soundproofing materials to ensure a quieter ride, a forward-thinking touch for the time. Standard features included a heater and defroster, full carpeting, padded dashboard, and an optional AM radio. Performance. Under the hood, the 1955 Manhattan packed a 226 cubic inch inline-six engine, borrowed from the Willys stable, with a McCulloch supercharger, producing 140 horsepower. That's right, a supercharged family sedan in 1955. This was Kaiser's answer to V8 competition. While it wasn't as powerful as its V8 rivals from Detroit, the supercharged 6 gave it respectable performance, especially in city driving. The engine was paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive, giving it smoother highway cruising. Handling was typical of the era, soft and floaty, but the Manhattan offered a surprisingly smooth and quiet ride. Braking was handled by 4-wheel drums, and steering was manual, so don't expect modern dynamics here. The 1955 Kaiser Manhattan was a final flourish from a company fighting against the Big Three. It was luxurious, innovative, and undeniably stylish. But it wasn't enough. 1955 was the last year for Kaiser production in the US. Today, the Manhattan stands as a rare gem, only about 1,300 were ever made. For collectors, it's a symbol of American ambition and a reminder of a brand that dared to be different. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into an American classic, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what forgotten cars should we cover next? Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the